You finally decided to make some space on your phone as a New Year's resolution. Or you went a little rogue on filming during New Year's Eve or during the holidays beforehand, and now you're short on storage on your phone. In this video, I'll show you why you don't need to delete all those memories and still get back storage space without having to buy cloud storage or external hard drives. But before we get into problem solving, let's briefly do some prevention for the future. A common issue, something that I'm guilty of oftentimes as well, is having your format and resolution settings set really high. But great quality comes with great file sizes. In other words, these higher quality format settings use much more storage space. And the thing is that for a phone's screen, 1080p is perfectly enough. So unless it's very specific content creation where you really want to focus on recording in high quality, use the default 1080p 30fps on your iPhone and a similar setting on Android phones as well. Now, as for a comparison, these two clips are both 7 seconds long. One of them was recorded in 4K 60fps and the other one in 1080p 30fps. The first one is over 100 megabytes, the other one 16. So I think the difference speaks for itself in terms of file size, and in terms of quality, well, can you tell the difference? Alright, let's get into problem solving. In case you accidentally recorded in a Pro format, like ProRes or other RAW formats on Android devices, but now you're regretting it because you can't even update your phone anymore, the first thing that you can do is converting them into a compressed format, like MP4. For this purpose, I recommend you using the UniConverter's Converter tool that supports Apple ProRes and over 1,000 other formats and has no file limit for batch conversion. So if you don't have the UniConverter yet, be sure to get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then, open it up and click on the converter tool from the upper left corner of the interface. Next, import all of the video files that you need to convert. We're going to convert all of these files, of which some of them are ProRes files, others are MOV, and we're going to convert them into MP4 as it's the most device-friendly format available. So I'll select the output format from down here, since we're converting everything into MP4. I'll choose MP4 and 1080p. Now, here we can already see how much smaller the converted files will be. Then, choose an output folder so you don't get your files mixed up. And finally, click on Convert All. And here are the results. They're still in perfect quality, just at a smaller resolution and, of course, file size. Another alternative is keeping the files at their original resolution but compressing them. Compressing will remove redundant data from the files, resulting in a more effective data stream and a smaller file size. By using this method, the clips will still fit on larger displays as their resolution stays the same, but they won't take all your phone's storage space. The tool we'll use is the compressor tool in the UniConverter. So import your files here. Next, let's go into the compression settings. As you can see here, you can choose to prioritize quality, size, and use an AI compression mode, which effectively does the two things together. The estimated file size is only visible when you're setting up compression settings individually, and the AI compression mode shows no estimate output file size at all. So I personally recommend you using the AI compression mode as it will give you the best results. The only downside of it is that you need to experiment with compression ratios if there isn't someone like me to tell you that a 70% compression rate will give you really good results. So that's what I'll choose as well. Regarding the output format when it comes to this method, it's MP4 only. So click on OK. Finally, after choosing an output folder, click on Compress All. And here is the comparison for you. This is before the file size shown on the screen, and this is after at the file size shown on the screen. Huge difference in size, essentially no difference in quality. So now all you need to do is switching the original video clips on your phone with these ones, and once you have done that, you'll have a large amount of storage space saved up. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.